Hello everyone and welcome to VizRT Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, Legends. Today I'd like to take a look at using the copy, paste, and cut features on the 3Play control surface. Moving clips around between tabs is fast work to keep organized, and these simple steps will help you navigate this terrain very quickly. This will be a short video, but vital in keeping you running smoothly in replay land. So, let me show you how it's done, son. All right. So I have my 3Play control surface here on my desk, and I have my 3Play interface up and running. So now let's start to mess around with the copy and paste feature and cut. Keep that in mind. Okay, so a few things you can do. So for example, what I want to show you here is there's a bunch of different clip lists you can go through. So if I go to my A output, I'll go to my clips. On the directional arrows here, you have an option to move between your different tabs, which you can see on interface right now. So I have a bunch of clips that I've already recorded here in my clip list 0. But if I want to navigate between them, I could hit the tab button here on my control surface, and that'll move between the other tabs that I have in here. All right. So this is going to make it easier for you to go through and say move things around. If you say put it in one clip list, and you're like, I want to use it in another one. It's just an organizational thing. Okay. So to do that, let's say I have a clip that I want to use within this clip list, but put it in another one. So how you can do that is using the navigational arrows here. Is you can go to any of these. Like say, I'm going to go to this, let's go to this first down, all right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy it and then paste it into another clip list, okay? So to do that, what you'll do is at the top of the control panel here, you'll see a button here that says cut, has an underscore under it, and then copy. There's a few ways to do this. So if I just hit copy, it has copy that in there. And if I go and hit tab over to my clip list number 1, now I can hit paste. Boom, there it is. All 4 angles, good to go, okay? So now let's go back to that original one here, and let's say that I want to remove it completely from that list, all right? So I'm gonna go to this touchdown one here, and instead of hitting copy, I'm gonna hold down shift in the bottom left, hold that down, and then hit the copy button, and then, like magic, it's gone. All right, so now that is saved into our memory, and now let me go and tab over to my clip list number 2, hit paste. Boom, there it is. Okay, so I moved it from my one clip list 0 and now just pasted it over into 2. And that has all 4 of those angles in there, all right? Now, I did mention before on the playlist side of things, you can just say add to playlist kind of thing, but there's another way you can do that too. So let me go back to my clip list here, and let's go and grab this slam tackle, all right? So the same thing here, what I can do here is I hit copy, and then move over to my playlist, I can hit paste, and that just is going to take over one of those clips, not the whole thing, okay? So if I want, I can go back to my clip list and move my arrows all the way over to the event ID, which is 008, and then if I hit copy there, and then move back to my playlists, hit paste, boom, it brings in all 4 of those angles. Okay, so keep that in mind. And same thing, if I want to remove it completely here, I don't know why you would do this, but just in case you want to, I can say grab this, and then I'll hit shift, cut, it is gone, go over to my playlist, let's put it into another tab here, and then paste, boom, all 4 are in there now. Cool. So different ways that you can do this. It's kind of up to you how you want to play around with it, but this is going to help keep you organized when you are creating your different replays and moving between your tabs and your playlists and clip lists, yada, yada, yada. But cut, copy, paste, done. So play around with it, and of course, have some fun. Hey, there you have it. Another 3Play tutorial for you awesome replay artists and operators out there. Keep up the great work. Now, for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized VizRT product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find even more information about VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner, or you can check out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using VizRT products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags VizRT, TriCaster, or 3Play. We see all of your great work. Keep it up. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.